Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Thank you for stopping by. So today we are going to be swatching Sample Beauty's The Equalizer Volume 2. I'm surprised I've got one that is still in its box. In the previous video I was just trying to figure out if this has been made by Beauty Bay, because it really does remind me of Beauty Bay when I look at it, but I don't think it is. It just says distributed by Sample Beauty. I think they're a separate company altogether, and then it gives Sample Beauty's website, so it is Sample Beauty and not Beauty Bay. I just thought Beauty Bay might have another, like, do you know, like Revolution do, they have all these different like names, but obviously the Beauty Bay line is called by Beauty Bay and this one is Sample Beauty. So this is absolutely stunning. My sister got me this, and Lisa from Banning, Panning and Beyond put me onto it. I bought Lisa one of these for her birthday. I had to think then, because her birthday is in October and obviously we've had Christmas as well, and I sent her something for Christmas. So I bought her this for her birthday, and she absolutely loves it. And I looked at this palette when I got it for Lisa, just to see what it looked like, to see if it was in perfect condition. And then I looked at it and I'm thinking I would probably use most of those shades. I'm not too sure about the purples, but I would definitely use everything else apart from the blacks here as well. So we're going to swatch it and we're going to see, because I've never tried a Sample Beauty palette before, we're going to see just how good it swatches. So we've got the first shade, which is called Stripping. That's very smooth. So that's that one. Then we've got Tan, which is this really nice orange. Then we've got Bitter. Then we've got O'Clock. Oh my gosh, look at that, Lisa. That isn't you, I don't know what is, but that's also me. I love that shade. Look at it. Then we've got Down. Again, another really foiled shimmer. Right, so if this is what the shimmers are like, I'll definitely buy more from Sample Beauty. There is a few other palettes that I've seen from Sample Beauty on Beauty Bay that I like. Then we've got Bottomless, which is this really light green. That one there. Then we've got Whispering. That's nice. That'd go nice with that shade. Then we've got Sweet. Got a feeling, because I'm swatching it, I'm going to make that one hard pan. This one's like a duochrome. It's pink but like with a blue undertone. I don't think, actually you might be able to see it if I do a few swatches. I can already see it's getting like hard pan. You're not really supposed to put your fingers into eyeshadow, so it's meant to be brushes, but that's it there. That is really, really pretty. I wonder how many times I'm going to say that in this video. Then we've got Angel. This one is a very sheer peach. That one there, real pretty. Then we've got Brunch. Yeah, these eyeshadows are like a slippery formula, so these two here, I don't know if you can see it, but there's definitely, like where I put my finger in this sweet shade, you're not going to be able to see it on this camera, is there's a little bit of hard pan now. I did want to see how beautiful the swatch, because I don't know when I'm going to be able to use the palette, just because I've got so many palettes that I want to use. And I also wanted to show it to you guys as well. So the next one is Feeling. These mats are really, really smooth, guys. And for the price, I think this palette was about £21 originally, but I got this one, well, my sister did, for just over £13 in the sale. Then we've got Day. It's nice pink. And if you're not really heavily into makeup, this could be your entire eyeshadow palette for your collection, because you've got like your neutrals, your pops of colour, like you've got tons of shimmer neutrals down this side, and like your matte neutrals here, and then obviously your pops of colour being the oranges. So I don't think you would need another palette. You've got your black there to smoke it out, and you've got a white. So yeah, I think it's just a really, really good palette on first impressions. Then we've got Cherry. That is actually a really nice purple. I didn't think I'd like these purples, but that's really nice. I mean, I do wear purple eyeshadow. I don't have a ton of purple eyeshadows in my collection, because I only wear it, I wear it very infrequently, but I do have some purple eyeshadow palettes. But I feel like these ones going down after this row here are quite dark, but let's see what they swatch like. The next shade is Dream. That's that one there. Gonna swatch that again. The next one is Myself. The next one is You Can, which is a deeper matte brown. And even though I'm dry as hell going up here, they're not swatching patchy, the mattes. That's always a really good sign. The next one is Comfort. Ignore the noise, guys, it's just a bin man. The next one is Blossom. That's nice as well, I really like that. I'm surprising myself here. Maybe the eyeshadows that I like now are completely different to the ones I liked last year. Maybe I'm just coming more into my comfort zone and liking things that are out of my comfort zone. So we've got Zone. Just going to swatch that one more time. That one's Zone. Then we've got Do It. So that's another nice bronze. There's a lot of bronzy shades in this palette, and that's why I said there's a lot of neutral shades. But they do more colourful palettes, and I think I'll try one of them next time. Then we've got Warm. So that's that one. Then we've got Love. Right, so this one is swatching patchy, but I think this is more to do with my arm. Can you see there's a bit of patchiness here? But I am very dry on my arms, which I always say, oh, I'm going to get a good moisturiser. And I've been using hand cream, and that also works well as a arm moisturiser as well. So, but I'm not using it enough. Then we've got On. Yeah, it's my arm, guys, because they're all getting patchy now. Then we've got Bite. I don't think I'm going to have enough arm space. Then we've got Smoky Eye, but it's not smoky, it's a bronze. been better if they put a grey in and called it Smoky Eye. That's that one. And then the last row, we've got Frost, which I don't think you're going to see. It's just a really nice white. Oh, you can see it a little bit here. Then we've got black. Let's see how pigmented this is. Oh, that is super pigmented. So that's Frost, that's black. Then we've got Top. That's pretty. I'm liking these purples. They would definitely give a smoky eye. Then we have Male. And that's got sequins in it, but I think, yeah, it does have sequins in it. I don't know if you're going to see it. I think I'm going to put the bottom two just down here because you're not going to see them up there. You might just be able to see the sequins in that, I'm not too sure. And then we've got, it looks like another duochrome, which is called Time. Just need to try and wipe it off because it looks like a white gold one. Oh my gosh, it's not like white gold. Well, it is, but then you've got like a pink undertone, and I think you'd only be able to know and see what it looks like if you've actually got this palette, guys. I'm going to swatch it a couple of times. Right, so it's really, really soft. Don't know if you can see it. I hope you can. Right, so let's go through the majority of the palette, which is up my arm. So this is what we're looking like. So that's the majority of the palette up until like these two swatches here. So that's what they look like. I mean, it's a beautiful palette, isn't it? Beautiful. And then we've got Male, and then that duochrome there, Time. So we've got a couple of duochromes. We've got Time, and then we've got this shade here, that's duochrome. So that one was called Sweet. I think that's it, just two. But two is better than none when you don't have a lot of duochromes in your collection. I've got more now in 2021/2022 than I had in 2020/2021. In 2022 going forward, I think it's going to be less palettes, guys, and more singles. I've just placed an order with Glam Shop. That's for a few pastel multi-chromes, and I'm really looking forward to swatching them for you and also doing a look. If you would like me to do a few looks with my multi-chromes and my duochromes that I've got from Pastel Roses and Titmouse Cosmetics, please leave it in the comments down below, and I'll make sure I factor that in an upcoming Shop My Stash. But this is a beautiful, beautiful palette. This is worth full price. I'll get you the correct price. I'm sure it wasn't more than £25 though. And then I got it for £13 something, and said to my sister, instead of you getting me the Wilderness one, why don't you get me this? And then she agreed that she'd get me this one. It's so pretty. Again, they're the swatches, that's the palette. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you've got this in your collection, what you think of it, what you think of Sample Beauty's formula. If you've got any recommendations for another of Sample Beauty's palettes, I would love to know in the comments down below. This concludes this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really do appreciate it. Please like, subscribe, share and comment, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.